Fall has finally arrived here in Nebraska, and this is one of my favorite seasons. Western Nebraska may not showcase the beautiful fall colors of maples and oaks, but what we have is the incredible texture of beautiful seed heads and great fall color from our ornamental grasses. Today we are in the demonstration garden for the city of Gering. It's at the base of Scottsbluff National Monument and very close to Monument Shadows Golf Course. There are many exciting things that are happening within this garden today, and I can't wait to talk about some of my favorite plants and showcase how they can benefit your landscape. It has been a hot, dry summer all across the state of Nebraska. In western Nebraska, we are 5 inches below our normal rainfall at this time of year. But our demonstration garden proves to you that we have plants that can grow across Nebraska, that can grow with limited amounts of water and still be incredibly beautiful in the landscape. The plants in front of me show that things can thrive and still have beauty and benefit multiple things with very limited input. We have beautiful grasses such as Sideoats Grama that have moved all across the landscape and show that they can seed down and be productive with very minimal water. We have Ornamentals, also evening primrose is what it's referred to, that has bloomed from June, and I anticipate with great weather that we'll have it bloom through almost the end of October if we don't have a hard freeze. We have beautiful asters in front of me that are just getting ready to put on their fall show. I can't wait for those to start blooming across the entire landscape because it'll be something really impressive for our residents to see. One of the things that has been beautiful throughout the growing season is the Muhly grass that's at the forefront of this landscape. It's one of those plants that I talked about in the spring on one of our earlier episodes that I said would be beautiful at the end of the growing season, dancing in the wind, and on a breezy day like today, it is proving that comment to be true. We also have other beautiful grasses such as big Bluestem, which is behind me, that is just getting ready to put on its fall color, and I love its seed head with that funny little turkey foot appearance to it. We also have some of our other perennials that we talked about in the spring, like Emosia, that is right over here, that put on great fall color. It's just getting ready to showcase that golden color that it has. There are plants in the landscape that absolutely have the will to survive, even with limited amounts of water and high temperatures. Right here, we have Gamble Oak. We had looked at this plant earlier in the spring in a different episode, and what we talked about was this incredible plant that uses very limited water but still can perform well. And as you can see, it has proven that comment to be very true. What we have found is that this plant, even with very minimal water, has put on almost 12 inches of growth. It shows you that it puts down deep roots and can be very adaptable. We have showcased some amazing plants that can do extremely well in the landscape with limited amounts of water and with high temperatures. They can be beautiful and productive, and they should be something that you should want to try in your landscape.